What's going on, Raymond? Up. Are you okay?
Nope.
Yeah, he's a good boy. Can you give him a hug? Oh, so sweet.
Oh, Maddie's walking Taylor. Oh my goodness. Well, my, how cute is that? You got one! The puppy on you. Puppy dogs, Teddy. Who can you puppy dogs? Is it funny?
Yes, hey. This is my Lego toy, right?
Yeah, that's not a Lego.
Guy, look at him, Madeline.
Madeline,
Okay,
show him
down.
how to roll.
Down. Roll over. Down. Roxy, down. Roll over. Good boy. Down. Down. Roll over. All right. Good job.
She's a lot better than your dogs, huh?
Okay, there you go.
Ew, that's
her foot. You don't want to kiss her foot. Stop. Stop. Stop.
Second day of deliberations, the jury proposed our solution to trying to determine if what happened in that house that night was a rape or a setup. You said you wanted to suck on a guy's neck and slit her throat. What? Would that be true to your life? Suck on a
Come on. Crawl to mommy. Crawl to mommy. Come on. Who can get to mommy first? Pedro's beating you.
No. No.
Ben, she's gonna run over you. Let me hear. She's gonna run you right over. Can Daddy come in now?
No.
I can't come in?
No.
Down? Alright. I wanna come in though. Can Ben come out?
No.
Ben can't come out.
How cute is that? Yeah. If you kids made you breakfast in bed.
Didn't make that clear.
She's
Uh-oh.
sick of her.
Mm-hmm.